What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And today, as you can see by that little light right there, the sun is out. Whew. Praise the good Lord above, man. Thank you so much for this sunny day. It's been beautiful weather so far. We're actually at 68 degrees today, and it's beautiful, guys. So guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna be doing some meatballs, and we're gonna make sure they are gonna be good. They're gonna be barbecue. They're gonna have some barbecue sauce on them, and they're gonna have a cheesy center, because guess what? That's how I like them. Sorry, guys. We actually are doing meatball muffins. I said it correctly. Meatballs muffin. So this is my version, my take. It's on a simple meatball recipe that is a smoking jazz barbecue twist. All right, guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, guys, so what I basically did, added all my beef and pork together, and I made a big little well so I can add all my seasoning. I'm gonna start with all the dry ingredients first, then I'm gonna add my wet. All right, so we're gonna mix this up, and it's gonna be beautifully done. All right, guys, so I'm gonna add my wet ingredients at this point. So we're gonna go with the grapeseed oil. About 2 tablespoons. The 3 large eggs that I slightly beaten. Now I'm gonna add my Panko breadcrumbs at the end. This is just the way I prefer to do it. You can do it any way you like. So that's about half a cup. Forgot to add the hot sauce. Man, I'm getting old. Just make sure you guys incorporate this really well. Now, if you want, you can add some Worcestershire sauce, but you know, it's totally up to you guys. You guys can tweak the recipe any way you like. This is just a simple ingredients to use. All right, guys. So we're about to start forming the balls, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So once we form the meatballs, we're gonna actually use the muffin tin in order to put the meatballs in. I'm gonna use that as a platform to house my meatballs. And then I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of butter flavor. So basically what I'm gonna do is just take a nice chunk, just like so, and just form into a ball, and then I'm going to flatten it out just like this and place it in the center. And I'm going to take one of these bad boys, which is that Colby jack cheese, and then I'm going to do this and just seal the top or the dome just like so. Bang. Take a look at that. Bang. All right, let's do another one. Look at that. Meatball muffins. Alright, guys, I'm gonna do the rest, and I'm gonna show you once we take it to the grill. One final step, I'm gonna add another dose of my all-purpose barbecue rub right here. Just shake it up before you pour it, and just sprinkle it on top. And once you see some smoke coming from the chamber, we're gonna close the lid. And we're gonna crank this baby up to 250 degrees, just like so. And we're gonna let this come up to temp. Man, they look good right now. Look at these guys. Look at these babies. Wow. As always, we haven't cooked them yet, and they look good right now to eat. Man, oh man. All right, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna add a temp probe to one of the centers of one of the muffin meatballs. And this, what this is gonna do is help us guide us and tell us what the temperature are internally. And also with the temperature internally, I'm gonna gauge it to a point where I can add my barbecue sauce at the end to stir it and to caramelize it and to finish it off. So we're shooting for an internal temperature of 165 degrees, and that's in Fahrenheit, guys. Make sure you add it to the center. Today we're using the 10G meat thermometer probe, so we're just gonna stick it in. And the actual meatball is about 36 degrees, and as you can see right there, I don't know if you can see it, I'm gonna get it close up. 165 is the target we're shooting for. It's already preset. So let's take a look at our meatballs. Oh wow. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. They are looking beautiful. So I'm gonna probe them just to make sure they're 160, I'm close to 158, 159, and 160 area. And then I'm gonna sauce and let them caramelize for about another 10 to 15 minutes. All right, let's take a little probe test to see what we at with the internal temps. Let's do this one. 120, 133, 154. Sorry for the wind, guys. It's a little windy today. 151, 153, 54. All right, so we're close to that. Oh, 156. Let's do another one. Alright guys, sorry for the wind again, but we're gonna add the barbecue sauce at this point. So one of my favorites, is Studs barbecue, man. Just shake this baby up. We're gonna pour it onto a bowl and we're gonna salt this baby up. Alright guys, it's been 15 minutes. Let's take a look at our bad boys, see what they look like. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Oh man, they're looking gorgeous. Alright, so I'm gonna pull these babies off, guys. I'm gonna take them inside, let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, and we're gonna dive in and put them in the middle and see what they look like. Time for the big reveal, guys. Let's see what the center look like. Oh yeah. You see that tiny smoke ring? Oh man. Take a look at that right there. Oh yeah, baby. So time for the taste test. Let's see what this is about. Wow. Phenomenal. Wow. I gotta get another bite. Yeah, this is that good. See the cheese? Wrap it around it. That's 3 bites. Guys, I'm gonna finish this off. Wow. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Share this with all your family and friends. Until we meet again, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.